Just quickly to introduce myself, you'll see Apostolos Papadopoulos probably on that's my full name, but Tolis is absolutely fine. That's my nickname, easy to pronounce. So I'll just talk quickly a little bit about my background so you know where I come from, except from the obvious one from Greece. So I've always had a passion for crops, so I decided to come to the UK and study. So I spent a year doing a foundation course at Plymouth University, Bicton College, if anyone knows of that. Then went to CL Hayne, again as part of Plymouth University, to do my Bachelor in Agriculture, focusing on crop science. Then moved to Sutton Bonington, Nottingham University, and I did my Masters in Crop Science and Management. Then went on to continue in the academic mode and did my PhD in soil science, specifically soil physics, connectivity of pores pretty much, and how that relates to hydrology, root penetration. And then I carried on with the research, and I did a postdoc at Lancaster University. It was a multidisciplinary work with Rothamsted, Cranfield, Aberystwyth, and it was more on roots, hydrology, and soil structure. And then I decided to go to the dark side, as the academics call it, and went to work as an R&D manager for Plant Impact. So they were developing biopesticides and biostimulants. So there was sort of the first step into technology developments in an applied way. And then I went to Branston, potatoes, that is, not the pickle, as we used to say. And I've joined as R&D manager there, developing products both for the field, but also in the supermarket where we can stop greening, as well as the storage. So in 2012, decided to venture out on my own and started Crop Intellect. The first development work that I've done was a synergy that increases chlorophyll consistently. So the idea of the Crop Intellect as a company is to develop innovation and secure them with patents. That's core. So Arleaf is the third patent portfolio that we have. So the first one, as I said, increased chlorophyll. We put products in the market to test basically the environment. We licensed the IP, but eventually ended up selling the IP to a subsidiary of Cargill, which is Frontier Agriculture. So this is known now as the technology R100, if you have heard of intercrop. And the second technology that we have is more on the vegetables and fruit, increase the shelf life. We're actually stimulating the plant through the wounding mechanism to release calcium from the vacuole inside the plant cell. So we're releasing calcium, balances stresses, and the extra calcium in the cytosol is absorbed by the cell wall. Perhaps too early in the morning for a bit of plant cell explanations. And that's how we increase the shelf life, and that technology and product are available in the UK. We're actually been selling it through Agrovista, but that's open for users, and we're in South America and the Mediterranean, Balkans.